Government is coming up with many QCOs in order to curb the import of substandard goods and boost domestic manufacturing of products. One such QCO is the Cookware and Utensils Quality Control Order 2023 released on the 9th of August 2023, which brings stainless steel cookware, sinks, aluminum utensils, round open top sanitary cans for foods and drinks and aluminum cans for beverages under mandatory BIS certification. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. I'm Baston Benny, and you're watching MindSync's BIS series. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Inside this QCO, we have 5 Indian standards awaiting our close examination. But before we move forward, let's focus on the effective dates. For large and medium enterprises, there's a 6-month period, which begins from the notice of this order on the 9th of August. Similarly, small enterprises are given 9 months, while micro enterprises have a more extended time frame of 12 months. Remember, for small and micro enterprises, MSME registration is a prerequisite. With these key points in mind, let's continue. Let's begin by discussing stainless steel cookware. This standard covers a range of items including cooking utensils, serving utensils, table utensils, and storage utensils. It's important to note that the standard applies to both items with handles and those without. Additionally, this particular standard falls under the mechanical engineering department. The minimum stipulated sheet thickness is provided in the details below. Let's discuss the tests now. These are the assessments that will be carried out to ensure product quality. It's important to note that the mechanical shock test, dry heat test, and thermal shock test are exclusively conducted for clad utensils. Let's now move on to the next standard, wrought aluminum utensils. This standard covers a range of items, including wrought aluminum utensils, thick bottom utensils, compartmental trays, and lunch boxes. It's essential to ensure that the design of these utensils promotes easy cleaning and prevents dirt buildup. Let's talk about handles. When attached, they must be made of fire-resistant materials like aluminum, stainless steel, or other suitable options. These handles are securely fastened to the utensils using methods such as tightly drawn aluminum or stainless steel rivets, welding, screwing to cast bosses, or riveting between flanges at the handle's end. Another crucial aspect is the strength of these handles. They should be strong enough to support a load in the utensils that's 3 times the water capacity, all in the normal usage position. And here's the remarkable part, they must achieve this without showing any permanent changes or deformations. Let's now look at the tests conducted for wrought aluminum utensils. These are the assessments carried out to ensure quality. Moving on to the next standard, let's focus on stainless steel sinks for domestic purposes. Within the standard, the following are the various types of sinks that require mandatory certification. In addition, it's important to note that this particular standard falls under the civil engineering department. The standard specifies the thickness of the sheet strip as follows. Also note that the depth of the sink bowl shall be 150 mm minimum, when measured from the top edge of the bowl to the base of the sink. Let's move on to the tests conducted for stainless steel sinks. These assessments ensure the quality of the product. It's important to note that all these tests are indicative and not exhaustive. Next in line is the standard for round open top sanitary cans for foods and drinks. This standard includes thermally processed foods and drinks, as well as non-thermally processed foods and drinks. It's important to mention that the standard falls under the production and general engineering department. A metal tag, giving the following information shall be provided, on the outside of the bulk package, to identify the content. Lastly, let's consider the standard for aluminum cans for beverages. This standard covers a range of beverages, including alcoholic, non-alcoholic, and dairy-based options. These cans are required to feature a leak-proof and pilfer-proof closure system. Let's now explore the tests conducted for aluminum cans for beverages. It's important to note that all these tests are indicative and not exhaustive. If your business requires certification and licensing under any BIS scheme, MindSync is here to assist. Let us take the lead in handling your certification needs, ensuring a smooth journey through compliance. Stay tuned for our next insight on the BIS series. Thank you.